Attorney Tennyson, do you have an announcement?
Yes, we would request that it be sent back to the original court, please.
Okay, no agreement?
No agreement.
Which one is
Thank
that?
It's a misdemeanor.
Acuna Cleto,
Let the going back. Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Attorney Rodriguez, can I put you in a breakout room with Attorney Swark, please?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. Sorry.
For misdemeanor or whatever it is. I don't care. It's too long. Misdemeanor is.
So Cunha, good morning, Attorney Garcia. Do you have an offer in your case?
No, I do not.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6, okay?
Just look.
Attorney Swark, do you have an announcement to make?
Yes, ma'am. If we could send it back to the court, there's no offer at this time. State is reaching out to the complainant. And he
Okay.
has court later this week.
Okay, in County Court 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, Attorney. Good morning, Attorney Stinson.
Good morning.
Do you have an offer in your case?
I believe believe so. I'm just double checking right now. Give me a moment.
Okay.
Traffic was a bit more intense than I expected this morning.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm waiting on an attorney. He's stuck in traffic also.
I think there was an accident on the highway.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I hope I'm behind on getting my computer booted up. Being a bit finicky.
Okay,
You can put them in two when you're ready.
I can put you in breakout room 6 with the ADA. He's in there now.
Okay,
Okay, there you go.
thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Ross, do you have an announcement?
Yeah, I'll take them on their front, I see. Please, just leave them on.
Attorney Ross?
Were you speaking to me?
Yes, do you have an announcement to make on your client Haney?
Sorry. Do I?
Do you have an announcement to make?
Yeah. I'll hold off for a couple minutes. I'd like to try to get to a quiet place and that I can address the judge.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Attorney Harkowitz. Good morning, Attorney Harkowitz. Do you have an offer in your case?
No, I don't believe I do.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6 with the ADA.
All right.
There you go. Do you enter the number, start your number?
Attorney Garcia, are you ready to speak with your client?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Attorney Stinson, are you ready to speak with your client?
Yeah, Sam.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Ross, are you ready to make your announcement?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
are you there, Judge?
Well, why not?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up? You need me, Debbie?
Yes, Judge. Attorney Ross had
Morning,
has an
Judge.
announcement.
Yes, Your Honor. I have Miss Lizette Haney on 2025 CC 013422 and 23.
Yeah.
I think she has some trouble remembering me. Doesn't remember previously being found incompetent.
Okay.
You
You gonna file a motion to have her examined
A few
again?
times. I know that we need to refer her for a psychopath.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, Jonathan, you want to file it in the court of origin, or you want to? What do you want to do?
Yeah, I you can order it right now if you'd like. Otherwise, I can file it in the court of origin.
I would think you probably more appropriate to file it in County Court 9, have that judge take a look at it, and then go ahead and sign off on it and have her examined. Okay.
Will do. It may also start trying to see if they can do civil proceedings, but all right. Thanks, Judge.
Fine. Oh, you're welcome, Jonathan. Always a pleasure.
You too.
I told him 6 months probation, and said.
Attorney Harkowitz, we're waiting on a breakout room. Attorney
Okay.
Garcia, are you waiting? Are you ready?
Yeah, my client wants to do the extension on probation for 6 months. So I guess fill out the paperwork, or what do we do?
And let me check with Valverde.
I mean, she'll plead truth to it, but is there extra paperwork I have to fill out?
Attorney Garcia. Um, ADA Rodriguez, do you know if Attorney Garcia is gonna plea or?
I
She
don't know.
wants to, she wants to do, she wants to do the 6 month extension.
I'm sorry?
He wants to do 6 months extension,
Okay.
continuing
So-
probation.
So does he need to do paperwork with his client?
I don't think so. It maybe just the
Daniel,
Notice
are you
of
gonna
appeal.
withdraw or are you gonna have Judge, are y'all gonna hear the MTR?
he'll have to plead true to one.
Okay, then the paperwork needs to be done.
It's just I think it's the I don't know, whatever it is.
Okay, so yes, Mr. Garcia, go back and complete the paperwork with your client. And then I'm gonna have your client,
Okay, oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't care about that. Just send it to me.
okay, all right,
Yeah.
we'll
Oh,
we'll get-
wait. Oh, no, let me do this. Okay. So basically the paperwork we set up, we can just do, and she's gonna plead true to like the number 20, right?
Let me just tell you, just so we all on the same page here.
Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Plead to number 20.
Number 20. Okay, I'll go back and have her fill out the paperwork. All right.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
Plead number 20. Appreciate it. Can you send me back to be with my client? Thank you.
Hello?
Attorney Norton, are you ready on a plea?
I believe so.
Okay, one moment, thank
Who do
you.
you have, Jay?
Morning, Dan.
Hey, who do you have, Jay?
Dexter Robinson, they have it as Dester.
Okay. Has somebody made an offer to you?
No, I think we were just trying to get a time served. He's got a fair number of days and he's got a felony hold out of state. They're just waiting to ship him to Indiana.
Hang on 1 second. Have you received a discovery acknowledgement or anything like that?
I don't know if we've done the discovery. We did the plea paperwork last week.
Oh my God. Oh, my face look bad. Yeah, I can hear him.
He has other cases pending.
No, they're taken care of.
Okay. Jay@lahoodnorton.com is your email.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to send you a discovery acknowledgement.
Okay, thank you.
And it looks like he has 112 days, which I'm okay with offering 112.
Okay. That should do it.
All right, does that mean we're ready, guys?
Sure, if you are.
Yeah, I'm ready. It's 2025 CC's 13457, State of Texas versus Dexter Robinson. Are you Dexter Robinson?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Robinson. You can lower your head. Mr. Robinson, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Robinson, you are charged with the offense of indecent exposure. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 180 days in jail and up to a $2,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Robinson, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent, and you also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where Mr. Norton, your lawyer, could cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Robinson, Mr. Norton can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Robinson, do you understand, sir, you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, Mr. Robinson, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And the way you do it is you fill out this paperwork form we call the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Robinson, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can get into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what
Yes.
you'd like? Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, wonderful. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. All right, Mr. Robinson, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Robinson, listen up. State of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
$0 fine, court costs 112 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served. He has 112 days of time.
All right, Jay Norton, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Robinson, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Jay, does Mr. Robinson have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
He is, in my opinion, yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Dexter Robinson, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of indecent exposure. Guilty,
No.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Robinson, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea.
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead that way, sir?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Robinson. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of indecent exposure, Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at $0 fine, the cost of court 112 days in the Bear County Jail. Cost of court, the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, Mr. Robinson, your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Robinson, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Robinson, any questions, sir?
Just for my lawyer.
You guys want to go ahead and back in the breakout room?
Sure.
All right, Deb, can you do that for them?
And
Yes,
Judge,
All right, they're going to put you in a
I-
breakout room, Mr. Robinson. Take care of yourself. Good seeing you, Jay.
good to see you. I signed the discovery acknowledgement. Should be back towards you.
Yep, let me sign it.
No.
All right, Deb, who do we have?
Gonzalez, sir. Saul.
Saul Gonzalez, Judge, Attorney Stinson.
Okay. All right, it's clause number 2025 CC 009668, State of Texas versus Saul Torres Gonzalez. Are you Saul Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank you.
yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. You can lower your hand. Mr. Gonzalez, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Gonzalez, you are charged with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor. So it is punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bear County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent, and you have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. So, Mr. Gonzalez, what that means, sir, is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. Gonzalez, your attorney could call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Gonzalez, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right. But if you want to give them up, sir, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Gonzalez, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Most definitely, Your Honor.
All right, great. Because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Gonzalez, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, the state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
$0 fine, court costs 94 days, Bear County Jail. He has credit for 94 days.
All right, who is it? Mr. Stinson, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gonzalez, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Stinson. Does Mr. Gonzalez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Saul Torres Gonzalez, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please tell me, sir, how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Mr. Gonzalez, you understand I could still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead that way, sir?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. I will accept that plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of criminal trespass to private property, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine, the cost of court 94 days in the Bear County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, Mr. Gonzalez, your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Gonzalez, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Gonzalez, any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor. Just gracefully, thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. You take care of yourself, sir. Stay well, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Stinson.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great week.
Thank you. You too.
That's it. Is that it, Your Honor?
Yeah, that's it, Mr. Gonzalez. Take care of yourself.
All right. Thank you. Gracefully.
Judge, next is Christina Martinez for Attorney Harkowitz.
Okay. All right, it's cause number County Court Case 727-988, State of Texas versus Christina. Excuse me, Christina Louise Martinez. Are you Christina Martinez?
Yes, sir.
Hi, good morning. Could you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Miss Martinez. You can lower your head. Miss Martinez, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You are charged with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. Miss Martinez, that is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bear County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Martinez, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent, and you have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. What that means, Ms. Martinez, is you could, if you wanted to, ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Ms. Martinez, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Ms. Martinez, do you understand that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you also understand, Ms. Martinez, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Ms. Martinez, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, I did.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
All right, great, because these documents tell the court that you do understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. I'm sorry, is there an agreement? Yeah. State of Texas on this case. Is that what you'd like to do, Ms. Martinez?
Yes, sir.
All right, wonderful. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Ms. Martinez, evidently you do have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Martinez, do me a favor, listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
$0 fine, court costs, 90 days, 90 days, Bear County Jail, credit for 90 days.
Mr. Harkowitz, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Martinez, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, sir.
All right, Stephen, does Ms. Martinez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
In my opinion, she is, Your Honor.
All right. Miss Christina Louise Martinez, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, I am.
Ms. Martinez, please tell me how you pleaded the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
You understand I can still find you guilty, Ms. Martinez?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead that way?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Martinez. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of criminal trespass to private property, Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero, fine to cost of court, 90 days in the Bear County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment in this case is satisfied by the time you've already served. Ms. Martinez, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Ms. Martinez, do you have any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck, all right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You
Welcome.
too.
Thank you, Judge. May it be
All right,
excused.
Stephen. Always a pleasure. Yep. See ya.
Alex,
Yes.
I see on the first page of the docket, Valentin Marquez Ramirez is an MTR. I don't have an MTR for him though, I don't think.
Okay, I'll forward it to you.
Thanks.
He's been a recall, but I'll send it to you.
Appreciate it.
Is he a Spanish speaker, Alex?
I believe so, Your Honor.
He's got an ice hold. He might.
All right, well,
Yes, I believe he is.
We'll need an interpreter then. Are we ready on Antoine Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
Can we get him in front of the camera, please?
He's going to plead to the 20, number 20.
Okay. All right, it's cause number County Court Case 642-836, State of Texas versus Antoine Deshawn Rodriguez. Are you Antoine Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. You can lower your hand. Hey, Mr. Rodriguez, is it all right with you that we proceed with your motion to revoke hearing by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. All right, let's see what we got here. You were placed on, looks like 12 months of deferred adjudication for obstructing a highway intoxication on the 6th of December, 2023. Does that sound right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Looks like the state has filed a motion to adjudicate you guilty. You are aware of that, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second, please. Okay, the state's gonna read an allegation to you, Mr. Rodriguez. Listen up, because you're gonna have to tell me if it's true or not true, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, state.
Violating condition number 20, on or about the 14th day of January 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Antoine Deshaw Rodriguez did then and there fail to provide verification of completion for the DWI Victim Impact Panel with the approved agency in violation of condition number 20.
Mr. Rodriguez, do you understand that allegation against you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is it true or not true?
True.
Thank you, sir. State.
Waive the rest, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, are you aware, sir, that based upon that plea of true, I could, if I thought it was appropriate, find you guilty and revoke your community supervision? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead true?
No, sir.
Doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. I'll accept your plea of true. Is there an agreement, guys?
I believe there is, Your Honor.
Okay.
We're asking that you will not revoke this person, that you will continue him for 6 more months and add IOP.
Okay. John, is that the agreement?
That was our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
Okay. And then Mr. Rodriguez, is that the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Your Honor, if I could, let me talk to my client one more time.
In the breakout room?
Yeah, in the breakout room.
Okay, Deb, can you do that?
Yes, Judge. Attorney Garcia, can you move back to 2, please?
I sure will. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're fine. We're ready to go. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, then, okay, that's,
We're getting him back, Judge.
okay. Where were we? He just played true, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, John, was that the agreement to extend him for 6 months and he's got IOP?
Yes, Your Honor. He agreed to that.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, has anybody forced you or threatened you or anything like that to plead true and get into this agreement?
No, sir.
All right, then I'm going to find it is true you violated condition number 20 of your deferred adjudication. At this time, I do not find you guilty. I leave you on deferred adjudication. Alter and amend your conditions to include 6 months extension and IOP. Mr. Rodriguez, they're going to keep you around and then you'll go back in the breakout room with Alex here and sign the conditions if you haven't done so already, okay?
Yes, sir. All right. Sounds good.
Yeah. All right, you take care of yourself. Good luck. Yeah.
Can I talk to my lawyer one more time?
Yeah, put it back in the breakout room, Deb. But I'm done with them.
Can I go in there too?
Yeah, Alex, yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah, I'll keep him in there so he can sign his paperwork.
Hey, Debbie, I guess I should have asked you earlier, were there any others that fell off the docket? Because I don't see Miss Settle, Miss Acosta.
Miss Settles fell off the dock. Carlos Flores,
Yeah.
Acosta, she told me to reappoint it, so Teresa Garcia said she'll take it. It is a Spanish speaker.
Oh,
So I'm
hang on,
sending-
hang on. Carlos Flores, what happened with that?
No offer.
Okay. So that one went back. All right. And then Valentin Marquez Ramirez, you're going to appoint somebody?
Yeah, Teresa Garcia,
Okay,
she'll
and then-
take it.
Lupita Miranda?
And then Lupita, Attorney Featherston, he's in the 226. He said he'll log on as soon as he gets done.
Okay. And then Noah West.
Miss Levinson is in a breakout room with him now.
Okay.
Hey, Deborah.
I'm sorry, yes.
There was some issue with Lizette Haney, whether or not she was going to be able to cooperate today. What do we know about her?
Oh,
First
she
page.
refused. Yeah,
She's
she
gone.
refused to speak with the attorney, and I think he's gonna file a motion for a psych eval.
Psych eval. Okay, so Lizette Haney is gone. Okay.
We're sending
And
that
then
one
I.
back.
Hey, Brenda, how's it going?
Oh, Mr. West.
Pretty good.
Hey, I saw that there's alternate offers for
Yes.
Noah West. Which one is he going to do?
He wants to take the deferred adjudication.
Okay. We'll let. So what I'm going to do on that is 9 months deferred, cognitive thinking, no contact with the AC hotel.
Right.
Pretty simple.
Yes.
No fine or community supervision or anything, or community service hours right now.
Okay.
We can always add those in the future if he violates.
All right.
Good morning, Teresa Garcia, attorney.
Good morning.
Um,
Do not have an offer yet.
okay, Rodriguez, ADA Rodriguez, this is on Marquez Ramirez.
Okay, we can go to breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Alex.
She's in,
Okay, so on Noah West, last entry of the docket. We're gonna do deferred adjudication on him.
They may send you some paperwork.
Oh, okay, they're not doing the 30 days.
No, he's gonna do deferred, and it's gonna be very simple. No fine, no community service, 9 months deferred. Cognitive thinking.
Well,
No
that ain't
contact.
simple then. Not if you're putting cognitive thinking.
Well, as far as all the terms, I'm not adding a bunch of terms. 9 months
Alright,
deferred.
cognitive, 9
Thinking.
months.
And no contact with AC Hotel. A is in Apple, C is in Charlie Hotel.
Does he need paperwork?
And that's all the provisions we're putting on it. And do you need a copy of the police report for something like that or no?
No, that's only for restitution.
Restitution only. Okay.
Yes.
All right, thanks.
Yes, sir.
Rodriguez is one person. Who was the other person?
Alex.
Yes.
Teresa Garcia has Marquez Ramirez now, and she's in the breakout room 6 with ADA.
Okay. I need to forward her the So that means y'all are gonna have to hold the rest, Deborah, please.
You guys should be talking a little bit. You're better off. If I don't like 23 months, and I have to go basically when I take me to jail for. Okay. They're revoking from what's that? The bullet have a work for your that's it. It'll be worse if you already broke from me. So, they've already given you a chance.
Who needs to use the restroom?
That's right. Wes, go ahead.
Hey, Deb, should we get an interpreter on the way?
Yes, for Teresa Garcia's client.
Yeah.
Yes, Judge, I will.
Stanley, you should eat your food.
Oh, when the elevator, when somebody comes up or down the
Can you hear me?
We're just waiting for the judge. Okay?
Actually, we're waiting on the DA, not the judge.
I'm here.
Oh, my apologies, Your Honor.
Judge has been ready for the last hour.
Uh-oh. Huh, okay, I take it back.
You better.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Yep, got you.
Okay.
All right, it's clause number 2025 CC 012002, State of Texas versus Noah Raiden
Sir.
West. Are you Noah West?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. West. You can lower your hand.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
West, is it all right with you? We proceed by video conference this morning.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are charged, sir, with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. West, you got several legal rights at this point, sir. You have the right
Sir.
to remain silent. You have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you. What that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During
sir.
those proceedings, Mr. West, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
West, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, Mr. West, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out
Yes,
this
sir.
paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. West,
Oh,
did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
No, sir, not really. She just told me to sign it.
You didn't go over the paperwork?
No, sir.
Noah, we went over all that. I read it to you, remember?
I don't want to give any rights away.
You don't? You want a trial?
Wait, what does that mean?
You want to go to trial and like have a jury and all that, or do you want to get into this agreement where they're going to put you on deferred adjudication?
Will it take away my rights?
Yeah, you'd be giving up your right to a jury trial. You'd be giving up your right to confront the witnesses. In other words, you're saying, Judge, I don't want to do that. I want to get into this agreement.
And that's all I'm giving up.
Yeah, you've been giving up your right to remain silent, your right to a jury trial, and your right to confront the witnesses against you.
I'll take it to jury.
You want to?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's fine. All right, Brenda. Looks like he wants a trial.
Okay.
Would that take a longer process?
Yes.
How long?
Oh gosh, I don't know, but maybe they can get him on the bond docket, Brenda, or something like that.
But if you take my right to remain silent, what would it do?
In other words, Noah, what happens is obviously if you get into any kind of agreement with the state of Texas, like a plea bargain,
Yes, sir.
you got to give up your rights because it makes sense, right? Because then you're not going to have a jury trial. You're not going to confront the witnesses. You're saying, you know what? I'll just plead no contest.
Okay, I'll give up my right to remain silent.
No, I don't want to force you. You sure that's what you want to do?
It's just for the moment, or just for like my whole life? What is it?
No, for this whole case. You're giving
Okay.
up your rights and they're giving you deferred adjudication. They're giving you a
Okay.
plea bargain.
I'll be all right with that.
You sure?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Brenda, you all right with that?
I am.
Okay. Then I will approve his waivers.
Thank you so much.
I think he's smart enough to know what's going on here and he wants to give up his rights and get into this agreement. And that's what I will do. So I will sign off on his waiver and then let's find out about this plea bargain. No, evidently you do have a plea bargain. First
All
thing
right,
you
yes,
need to
sir.
understand, I don't have to go along with it, but don't worry about that. If I don't go along with it, I'll let you withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything
Okay,
you
yes,
say in
sir.
the next few minutes, that will not be used against you. So don't worry about that. Let's find out what it is that the state is agreed to here, and then we'll go from there. State, what's the plea bargain?
$0 fine, court costs, 9 months deferred adjudication, cognitive thinking, no contact with the AC Hotel. That's A as in Apple, C as in Charlie Hotel.
Okay, no contact, AC Hotel. All right, Brenda, is that the agreement?
It is.
Mr. West, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Brenda, does Mr. West have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
I believe so.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Noah Raiden West, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. West, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right, you understand a court could still find you guilty. I won't find you guilty today, but a court could find you guilty based upon that plea.
So I'm not guilty.
No contest is fine, but you do understand a court could find you guilty, right?
Okay, well, I'm gonna plead not guilty then.
Well, I'm not going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the plea bargain, but I could, but I'm not gonna. You understand?
Yes,
A no
sir.
contest, a no contest plea saying, look, judge, I'm not saying I did it. I'm not saying I didn't. I'm just going to let you decide. So a judge could ostensibly find you guilty, but I won't. I'm going to give you deferred. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Noah, has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to get into this agreement?
No, sir.
You're doing it freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Then I will accept your plea of no contest.
Yes,
Upon
sir.
that
Thank you
plea, I
very much.
do not find you guilty. I'm going to find the evidence sufficient, and I will go along with the plea bargain. There's zero fine, the cost of court, 9 months deferred adjudication. Deferred
And
adjudication.
it's just probation, right?
Yeah, deferred actually, and the cognitive, which means you're not found guilty. The
Okay.
cognitive course, and then no contact with the AC hotel.
Sir.
Alex, does he need to sign his conditions with you?
Yes, he does.
All right, Mr. West, you're going to talk to probation very shortly before they, once you sign off on that, they can release you this afternoon or in the morning, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Good luck.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Brenda. All right. That was harder than it had to be. I don't have any more paperwork. Deb.
Yeah, Judge, we're waiting on Teresa Garcia. On Attorney Featherston.
Yeah.
He's in the District Court 226. Let me see how much longer he has. Judge, did you want me to reappoint or recall him if he can't make it?
No, Robert's really good about showing up. If he
Okay,
can't
good.
be-
Thank
If he
you.
can't be here, let's reset it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, guy's got 225 days in jail or something, so maybe do it tomorrow or something if he can't be here today.
You're still gonna be over.
You can come in now for a minute.
No. Marcus Mitchell? Marcus Mitchell? No.
You're already started. That's why you're
Judge Attorney Sandoval is here for the bond docket. His client is an add-on, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Cepeda de Leon.
He really doesn't know how to use the computer. Can you just help him with those things so we can get?
Okay.
going?
So we're not on the bond docket yet. Are you telling me that's what you want to do?
Oh, no, I was just letting you know.
Yes.
What's going on with these last two, please? What are we doing?
What happened to my?
The alien's not understanding the attorney, so we're having Daniel explain it. That's what the judge was asking.
Oh, there it is. Judge, I'm still waiting on a response from Attorney Featherston.
Uh-huh.
I asked him how much longer he was gonna be or if he wanted us to recall it, but he has not responded yet.
Yeah, he's probably in front of the bench or something. So what's going on with the other one? The Spanish speaker?
Marquez, she's almost finished with him. He's typing out his name and stuff.
Okay, let's do that and then we'll get on, and then we'll just, sorry, I can't wait all day for lawyers, so we'll go to the bond.
Exactly. And the interpreter is here.
Yeah. I think I already did that, Arlene. I think I already squared you away. Thank you. Alex, is there going to be a revocation on this guy or what?
I believe so. If where are they?
They're in the breakout room.
Oh, okay. I think that's what she's gonna accept.
Okay.
Her client's gonna accept.
Because he has an ice hold anyway, right?
Exactly. But you never know, Judge. You never know.
Okay, I just got some paperwork, so let's see.
Let that door shut. 10:40. I mean 9:40. This is courtroom, we'll feed the court.
All right, Teresa Garcia, ready whenever you are.
Hey, Deb, make sure that computer is on Spanish for this gentleman.
Okay, Judge.
Hey. We good, Arlene? All right, great. Thank you. This county court case 715-482, State of Texas versus Valentin Marquez Ramirez. Are you Valentin Marquez Ramirez?
Hey.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Say.
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Marquez Ramirez, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Say.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Marquez Ramirez, you were placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of driving while intoxicated on the 30th of November for 10 months and then extended for 2 years and 365 days since then. Does that sound correct, sir?
Say. Say.
All right, sir. The state has filed a motion to adjudicate you guilty and revoke that community supervision. You do understand that, right, sir?
Say.
All right, do me a favor, sir. The state of Texas is going to read an allegation to you. Please listen and make sure you understand it because they're going to ask you if it's true or not true. Do you understand, sir?
Say.
Okay, thank you. All right, go ahead, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 22nd day of August 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Valentin Marquez Ramirez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court, court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
All right, Mr. Marquez Ramirez, do you understand that allegation against you, sir?
Sí.
Is it true or not true?
¿Cierto?
Thank you, sir. State.
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 30th day of December 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Valentin Marquez Ramirez did then and there test positive for alcohol in violation of condition number 2.
Mr. Marquez Ramirez, do you understand that allegation?
Sí, sí. Sí.
Is it true or not true?
Sí.
True. Okay.
Waive
Thank
the
you,
rest.
sir. State.
We waive the rest, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Marquez Ramirez, do you understand, sir, that a plea of true on those allegations, that means that the judge could find you guilty in this case and revoke your community supervision? Do you understand, sir?
Sí.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead true, sir?
No.
Okay. You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Sí.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Marquez Ramirez. I will accept your pleas.
Sí.
I will accept your pleas of true. Is there an agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, there's not? Okay.
No.
Go ahead, Dan. What do you want?
We're asking that you find the 2 allegations true, that you revoke his deferred adjudication, sentence him to 60 days in the Bexar County Jail, giving him credit for the days he has in.
Okay. And Teresa?
Judge, he has 15 actual days. I'm asking for 30 days judgment sat.
Well, I can only judgment sat him if it's 15 days.
Okay, 15 days, Judge. He's got a nice hold.
Yeah, the federal government has a hold on him?
Yes, they do.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I will accept. Let me hang on. Let me fill this out first. I will accept his pleas of true to violating condition number 2 on 2 occasions. I find those allegations to be true. At this time, I will find Mr. Marquez Ramirez guilty of driving while intoxicated as a first offense. Having made that finding, I says punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give him credit for time served, which means his judgment in this case is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Marquez Ramirez, this was a deferred adjudication, an adjudication of guilt following a deferred. You do have limited rights to appeal, which your lawyer can further advise you about. Mr. Marquez Ramirez, I apologize, sir. I should have asked you. I know this was not your original lawyer. Are you okay proceeding today with this attorney? I gave you time served.
Sí.
Okay, thank you, sir. Then I did give you time served. You're done with this case. And as I said, you can discuss your options with your lawyer. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No, that's all. Está bien. Gracias.
Okay, you take care of yourself. Good luck wherever you're going, sir.
Okay.
Stay well.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, thanks, Teresa.
Ándale, pues. Gracias.
Thank
Ya.
you. Bye.
You're welcome, sir.
Cassie, do you need a removal order for him? You can chat me the response.
Okay, Deb, I guess we're just going to reset Mr. Featherston since he's not here, okay?
Okay, Judge.
If he maybe wants to do it tomorrow. The guy's been in jail a long time, but I can't sit around and wait. So,
Yes, I'll let him know. We can recall it for tomorrow.
all right, let's get off and get to the bond docket. Thanks, Angelise. Thanks, Valverde.